knew him a little bit through the practice of law, and then I saw the name on his gun case, and it all came back. You know, all that he was doing that day was out there engaging in his hobby, the thing he liked to do. He liked to hand load ammunition, shoot targets, and that was a hobby he had growing up, and it was enhanced by his military service. That's all he was doing. He was out there pursuing his hobby on a beautiful summer day, and he was brutally gunned down. And there's, as I often say in this job, you can hear everything about the other side and reasons, but to me, that's an explanation. It's not an excuse. And in this case, we'll never get Todd back. But what we do know is we've achieved a certain measure of justice for the family. It doesn't necessarily give them closure, but it allows them to move on to the next step of their grieving. Todd's wife has a young son that she now has to raise by herself, and she can now focus on that and have this case be heard.